Today we're going to talk about prepping your home for sale. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy Walsh, and on this channel we talk about all things real estate in the Charleston Tri-County area. If you want to know more about the easy living in the Low Country, then I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel by clicking that notification bell. Then every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. Well, prepping your home for sale can be a headache. If you want to make your home more attractive to potential buyers, but you don't want to break the bank, plus upgrading your home pre-sale is meant to make it more attractive and therefore worth a much higher price. If you spend too much on upgrades, you could lose a substantial amount of extra money. Any real estate professional will tell you, kitchen sells the home. It is the one room with the highest potential for making or breaking the sale, and for getting you the price you want. But what should you do to enhance your kitchen? Well, today I'm going to tell you some budget-friendly kitchen upgrades that you should consider when prepping your home for sale. Number 1, scrub and organize your kitchen. If your budget is tight, you can still make your kitchen as impressive as possible by simply giving it a good scrub from ceiling to floor. Cooking and use causes dirt and grease, and this builds up on all types of surfaces, leaving a dingy appearance. Scrub the walls and the cabinets and appliances and the floors to remove all the dirt and grime and leave behind a clean shine. Clutter. Clutter is a killer when selling a home, and the kitchen is often the room that collects more than its fair share. A quick trip to the local dollar store to get some inexpensive bins and organizers for your drawers and cabinets can make cluttered spaces seem more neat and attractive. Choose colors that match your existing kitchen color, or just get neutral colors that will blend in. Add new cabinet and drawer hardware. New cabinetry can cost a fortune, but new drawer and cabinet hardware is an affordable kitchen upgrade that makes older cabinets look new. A modern design can usually be found at your local inbox home store, and they have a variety of styles and colors. Ask a store professional or a cabinet expert about the latest styles in their recommendation. You can add an inexpensive backsplash. A decorative and functional backsplash above the counters and below the upper cabinets adds a wow factor to any kitchen. Many backsplash options can be found, including a stick-on variety that look like tile and stone or other materials. These protect your walls from moisture and other substances while adding a nice dash of color or style to your kitchen. Add a new faucet. An older, outdated, leaky faucet is a quick, affordable upgrade to improve the appearance and function of your kitchen. Again, there are many styles and models that are available at your local box store companies like Home Depot and Lowe's, and a store representative can usually answer your questions. Choose a model that is affordable but elegant and easy to use that blends in with your sink and other appliances. Updating lighting. Updating your lighting can be more affordable than you may think. Older light fixtures stand out and make potential buyers look closer at the other dated parts of the kitchen. By replacing the overhead lighting and putting some lighting under the cabinets, this can make a very impressive way that makes the workspace look a lot brighter. There are different varieties that are available that can be easily installed and plugged into a nearby outlet also, saving you the expense of having to hire an electrician. If you need more help with prepping for the sale of your home, there are many other affordable options to consider. I can offer many helpful suggestions for you, for your kitchen, for other rooms, or even outdoor spaces. Contact me today to help you sell your home in the South Carolina area. We can help provide experience, guidance, and advice to help you sell your home faster for the best price. I hope you guys enjoyed these budget-friendly kitchen upgrades. I can help you or anyone you know find a home here in the Summerville, Charleston area, or help you sell. Let's talk. Just reach out and give me a call or send me a text at 843-718-4285, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I am Nancy Walsh, your Change Your Life Realtor. If you'd like to see properties that are are currently available, go to my website, findyourcharlestonareahome.com. Until next time, see you later.